Hey everyone, welcome to Life in the Valley.
On today's episode, we're just going to be going over my uncle's Camaro here and saying goodbye to it. It's a pretty sad day here today. This is a 1970 split bumper Camaro on a Bronco chassis. These are the small tires. The big ones are 43s, I believe, and it brings the car up to about here, the floor. It has a 283 Ford motor in it. It doesn't have the headers and stuff on it right now. With these tires, the headers off and all that good stuff, it's actually road legal the way it sits. So here's the good old 283. I remember when I was a little guy, me and my uncle put all this shielding in here so the mud and water doesn't splash up in, and an electric fan. We also put shocks and springs and stuff in it, but they did a real good job underneath here, that's for sure. Fixing everything all up, making everything fit. But back at the old body shop, my uncle was actually cutting these fenders out. There's a bunch of guys just crying, basically. I guess they're hard to find, but you guys can see how much bigger the big tires really are. It lifts the car like a foot. It's crazy. But had to put the bumper on there so it's road legal. Once the big tires on, well, these tires, it drops it down enough and the tires don't stick out. The big tires are boggers. It's on a Bronco chassis, 1970s type of deal. So the whole drive line basically is Ford, 283 and all that, in the Camaro chassis. Unfortunately, but still a really, really neat car. So my uncle was out west. This was his old company logo. I believe he had that on his boat as well. He had a Formula 1 race boat. Put a quick picture of that in there for you guys. Unfortunately, it's leaving today. It's going to kind of a family friend, so he's going to use it as advertisement for his towing company and car lot and stuff like that. But so it won't have this paint job anymore. It'll all be wrapped. My grandfather painted this back in the day with my uncle at the old body shop as well. The hood and stuff's slaking a bit there, but it's been 25 years sitting out in the sun, basically. It only got put in the garage after he passed away. Definitely gonna miss this old rig. I remember riding in this old back seat here, sitting here, and my uncle have a friend up here, and just be ripping around in this old rig around the farm and on the old highway and stuff out back. When I was a little kid too, my grandpa had a monster truck. It was a lot bigger than this, and had a lot of fun with that too when I was a little guy riding around. Get up into a ladder up into it, or get lifted way up over somebody's head. Well, I guess this is going to be my last time in here. Definitely going to miss it. A lot of memories in here. A lot of memories with my uncle building it and working on it over the years and stuff too. Sad to see you go, but just one of those things. time she'll be here on the farm. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
Until next time, have a good one.